Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how to connect any Alexa device on Roku TV. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first of all, what you need to do is to access Alexa to your TV. You want to open the Alexa app and go to More. After which, go to Settings and go to TV and Video. Then choose the content or service provider from the list and tap on Link or Enable. So once you have actually done it, so you want to click on the More button at the bottom of the page. Here you want to go to Settings. As you go to Settings, then you'll be taken to this section. So from those settings, you want to go to TV and Video. Then you could find a lot of options available or a lot of devices that you have. So you want to simply go ahead and select the plus button in order to add it. So moving on, you'll then be able to see this option where you need to click on Enable to Use. Once you have actually done it, so next you need to sign into your Roku account. So for that, enter in the credential that includes entering your email and then a password. As done, you want to go to the terms and condition, read all of these, and then you want to go ahead and then you'll be able to see this sort of indication stating that Roku has been successfully linked. So then once you've actually done it, so click on the next button and then you want to go ahead and make sure to set up device. So click on that. As you do it so, you will then be taken to the next field where you need to go ahead and click on Link a Device. As you click on Link a Device, then you want to go ahead and click on Add to Group. And you will then be able to connect any Alexa device to Roku TV. So that is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.